but mess up.
Yeah. So unless you know what you're doing, don't change anything. Okay. There may be comments from the flight crew, they don't like something, and it may be possible that we can correct it through this, but you need to talk to me and I'll give you instructions on how to do that. Okay.
Diagnostics.
Important one is diagnostic page. Okay, we can check things are working, outputs are good, etc., etc. We can check our backup battery.
Charge 70%.
So as I said, it's 97 minutes.
97 minutes.
Yeah.
Percent.
Check basically is it communicating between it is which it is.
Okay, receiving total power. 47 hours.
All sorts of things. Okay. If all else fails, we can do a factory reset. But if you do that,
Is
you
it
have
safe to
start
do that?
again. No.
No.
But if we had major issues, we'd have to do that. Start
Factory
again.
reset.
But yeah, I can't see. I had to do it when I was configuring it. It wouldn't work. But
Yeah.
okay, we can. Should be on. We can.
Dapat maglagay tayo na don't factory reset. Don't push it.
Lots of different logs there. So again, I might ask you to download one of those and send it to me so I can have a look, see what's going on. Okay. On these ones,
How do we download it, sir? Through the USB.
Yeah, through that USB.
Then you send it to you through email.
Yeah, just email it. They're only big, very tiny files.
Yeah.
So this is the EIS config. Okay. All the different sensors. So now it's reading the information from the GEA. Okay, these are all the different settings for the devices. So manifold pressure, transducer, we've got physical pressure, transducer, we've got etc. etc. And we don't have everything.
Sir, is it autocorrect if there is a discrepancy, then we correct it already? Is there any chance that we have to delete the or it's automatic?
Yeah, you shouldn't have to do anything really.
Okay.
This stuff's doing us as maintenance engineers out of a job because it's so reliable. I keep saying, well, there's very little maintenance to do.
Okay.
The maintenance, the annual maintenance is a visual inspection. That is it.
Visual.
Yeah, and a calibration of a check calibration of the altimeter and ASI, and that is all that's been done.
Okay. We have
Here we have all the different gauges. Okay, so currently tacho set up. You can see that we've got the red line at 27. By the way, I've embodied another modification, which is reduces the use of the engines between 2,500 and 2,700. It's a really old modification because the aircraft didn't have it, so it's now on there.
2.3.
Between 2.5 and 2.7. It's noise,
How is it?
Noise reduction.
2.3, sir.
No, that's just what it's showing you. Just giving you an indication of what it looks like.
What it looks like.
Yeah, well, it's going to read 0
But
at the moment.
its maximum is 3,000.
They still use,
3,000.
2,700 is the
700.
maximum
Yeah.
to take off. But
Of our engine. But this is capable. This instrument is capable up to 3,000.
yeah,
Okay.
because you normally the instrument will go a little bit more than the maximum, so you
Yeah.
can see if you exceed the maximum. Okay, so that's those. And again, we can export logs, etc., if we need to. Is there any provision?
The calibration, sir, how does it work? The test, how does it work?
So the only thing to calibrate
Yeah,
is the fuel.
fuel.
So we did mention that to I mentioned to the Gold Wings guys how to do this.
Mhm.
This is the configuration of it here. This is
185
the
gallons
total capacity,
of
and this is the calibration.
quantity. Okay.
Very simply, we just check that the
Yeah.
information is correct. I
Mhm.
mean that one there, 28, is not correct. Should be
Not
27.
correct, sir,
Should be
because
27.5.
okay,
But I can't.
23.5.
No, 27.5. I can't put that in there because you can't put a 0.5.
Yeah.
So I've gone for 28. You can
Yeah.
change that to 27 if you need to.
How, sir?
Um,
How do we input it? The 27.5.
because you have to then go back to the EIS,
Yes. Pages
gauges.
and fuel quantity. Okay.
Oh,
It was recorded.
we'll make it 27 because
27.
it might be easier to calibrate it like that.
EIS is the key.
Okay. Fuel quantity.
So, first thing we check they're correct. Press that's good.
Good. 65 tayo, may
Drain the fuel.
Yeah, it's on the
Okay.
manual.
So drain all the fuel out of the aircraft.
If
Level the
you have
aircraft.
done it,
Okay. We're going to use 5 points. So 5 points between empty and full. Okay. Or you can use less if you wish.
That's okay.
But
Fine.
we use 5 for this demonstration.
done.
So we're happy with that.
Then
Procedure. Okay, we're just going to do the mains at the moment.
main first.
So we do both left and right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then
We're happy with that. And then we'll begin. So the first thing it's going to ask us to do is add the unusable fuel.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is on the. There should be a placard on the wing tells you how many. Or it'll be in the
unusable,
flight manual.
unsackable.
And so,
Okay, so then we say yes, we've done that.
Mm-hmm.
Then here you see we've got a sensor value.
Have to add the unsackable.
Okay, doesn't matter what that value is. It doesn't really
2.7.
mean anything. Although actually his resistance, so 620 ohms. This will move a little bit because the aircraft's going to move a little bit in the breeze or whatever.
Yeah, it's not
Once it's
balanced.
stable or stable as you think it's going to get,
Mhm.
press that.
Done. Then calibrate. Oh, stop moving.
We're going to do
changing.
the same on the right.
Calibrate.
So, add 16.2 gallons to the left tank.
To left down.
So you put 16.2 gallons in. Okay. It's done.
Done.
Wait for that to stabilise.
Then
It's done.
done. Then
Calibrate. Add another 16.2 gallons
Oh, to the right.
to the right. Yeah.
It's done. 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 Then calibrate.
Another 16.2 to the left.
To the left again. Ah,
Okay. To the right.
the right. Then done. Then calibrate.
And then 16.3 this time. To the left one. 16.3 to the right one. And 16.2 to the left. And then to the right.
Oh. Okay.
Heaters up. So
Is it okay, sir, if we